is here. To me it's still September. It's September. September in the rain. Okay, that's a jazz standard called September in the Rain. Starts on E flat major 7. The intro, so that's E flat major 7. And then this is B flat 7. Made, B flat 7. The verse is E flat major 7. Sorry, F minor 7. G minor 7. Playing that at the 10. We play the F minor 7 at the 8. So we just slide that 8, 10. Then we play C minor 7 to F minor 7. They're both on the 8th fret. We go back to C minor 7. And then you play a, this is a C sharp major 7. And then I do that same turnaround that I did in the beginning. I go F minor 7, B flat minor 7, in the rain, back to E flat, major 7, and then the whole thing starts over. So you're playing all these frets that do not have dots. That's one way you can think, is you're playing just like, are you on the dots or are you not on the dots? On the chorus, you play a B flat minor 7 at the 6th fret, and you go to a E flat 7. That you play that twice. Every word of love I heard, you whisper, and then you go to the 4th fret and you play a G sharp major 7. So all together, that's. And then you go and do the exact same thing, but now you're doing it on the 8th fret. Except instead of playing a major 7, we go to the B flat 7. Yeah, I think, and then I just slid 1 fret above as like a little ending or transition. And then you go back to the final verse. The spring is here. F7, minor 7, G minor 7. Remember the 8th fret. September. You can grab that one there, but you could also grab it up here if you want, because you're playing the. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that.